Go.
You what? That.
Oh, George Egg. Right. Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel, which we haven't named. This is my glorious friend, George Egg.
Hi, folks.
So we had this idea. Hang on, I bought you a present. George was telling me about pressure cookers. And I was like, mate, we're not in the 80s anymore, let's move on. And I just think of pressure cookers as like being, they're gonna blow up.
And well, I still think that's gonna happen. It has come with instructions.
Yeah, I always throw those away, so
because,
I'm glad.
well, I think in this scenario, look at that, look,
What is that? I don't know. But the idea, what we're gonna do, so George came over last night, we had a bottle of wine, and he said, look at this, and he did a bit of beef, and he said it takes, what?
4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Insane.
But we thought we'd use like different gadgets because George's channel was all about snack hacking.
Yes.
So we thought
for those who don't,
go on, you introduce. I'll grab some gadgets.
So I do a stand-up show where I cook on stage without any kitchen equipment. So I'll use wallpaper strippers for steaming, hot air guns. I've got a laptop that I've converted so you can cook on the train. You have to come and see it live.
Put your tour dates in the description.
Tour dates pending.
The idea that we're going to roll with is we're going to do rare seared beef in the pressure cooker. We're going to do roast potatoes in the air fryer, and then we can do a béarnaise in the Thermomix, and then we'll just cook some beans.
How could we cook the beans?
We'll think about that later. I think roast potatoes, they have to be peeled, and now we're not going to waste these because we turn these bits into a lovely like potato skin crisp, which the air fryer will be amazing for. I always like to talk about the elephant in the room, which is the air fryer. People think an air fryer is an air fryer because you don't use any oil, but it's just an oven.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's just an oven with different settings: max crisp, fry, roast. I mean, it does everything it says on the tin. Yeah.
Scared. So this is telling me that I've got to oil the rubber ring.
I reckon I'm going to prep the whole meal by the time you've sorted out the pressure cooker.
Well,
and you probably cook the beef by the time I've done the whole meal.
Well, the beef is very quick, although it's the resting is the thing. It says 15 minutes min.
15 minutes min? Is that 15 minutes min?
Minimum.
Not 15 minutes
minutes. Okay, I think we're all right with this. God, okay. I'm slightly scared because it is...
I've got a really obnoxiously massive pan because I didn't get any small ones for... So we're going to parboil the potatoes.
This needs to be generously seasoned.
We're going to sear the beef outside because we're not sure of the extractor.
Yeah. Right. Oh my God, looks salty, salty, salty.
Look at that. That's us on TV, look. We're going to take it outside.
So we're going to take it outside.
Do you want to come outside with us? Let's
come
go
on.
outside.
Maximo.
Right, we're outside.
You've seen the cable viewers, look. It goes all the way.
Oh, it's got a bit dark.
Make sure you get a good seal. Don't do half measures with this because you want to get colour on the outside because you're not going to be roasting it, you're going to be steaming it, so you want to get colour. Look.
Oh my Lord alive.
I think it was a good move to do this out here, don't you? We don't want the fire brigade on their way.
Lovely sear on that. Okay, we're back in. We're back in. Right, potatoes into boiling water. Ow, salted boiling water.
And I'll chop up an onion without chopping my finger this time, hopefully.
Yeah. Right, what shall I do? Boiling away. Oh,
garlic?
Garlic, yes, boss.
Oh, come on.
No, come on, mate. There's the buff.
There's the buff. So that's completely raw in the middle, but
there's your oily
nicely
residue.
Seared. So we'll just use that, and then this goes straight in.
Right. I put my potato skins into here, and my favourite setting on this said machine is max crisp.
Max crisp sounds like a candidate for the president. Can't even speak.
Come on, George.
I'm saying a presidential candidate. Max crisp.
Max crisp. One more minute. They've been in there for 5 minutes.
Ow.
I haven't seasoned them.
I'll try anyway. Come on. Max crisp.
Max crisp.
Max crisp.
Right, look at these spuds. So that's what you want. These little edges to start to flake like that. Let them steam. Let these steam, and then they're going to go in the air. In here, look. Beautiful. Can't bother to wait for these to steam. Okay, so these spuds, normally what you do with a roasty is you get the tray roasting hot, and then I'm going to go a bit of oil on here, and I'm going to go some of the old air fryer basket. Season these little sausages up. Good seasoning.
Anything else?
No.
No pep? No peppy?
Pep Guardiola. Right, so let's get here, max crisp, going warm.
Max!
Right, spuds are in. Actually, I'm going to take it off of max crisp. I'm going to go roast. I'm going to use the roast setting, 210. Great.
How long will they take? 15?
Never done it in there in my life.
Okay.
So we'll figure it out. Look, that's better.
100 mils-ish of wine.
Go on, stick it all in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So we've got the wines reduced, so we're going to put in stock now. Bring that up to the boil.
Stocky wocky.
Salty. There he goes. Quite a lot actually. All right, pepper in there, and then I'm going to bring it up to the boil, and then stick the trivet on, and then the beef goes in. And then we have to be so specific with the timing, because we're going to do 4 minutes exactly, and fingers crossed, because we're not sure if we're on high pressure or low pressure, because it's a new pressure cooker, and we're very anxious, and we're under pressure, like the cooker, for it to be good.
Right, put into the boil, lovely.
Okay, and then the beef. Scary lid on. Look, it looks like a face. Look, it's like eyes, nose, and a mouth going. Ooh, 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 I'm under pressure. Ooh, I'm scared, anxious. That's hissing out there. So if that's there, then that's going to be the high pressure. So we want that to start hissing. And when that starts hissing, then I think angry now. 4 minutes, and this is what I'm thinking.
Okay.
I hope this is according to the recipe, which has worked really well with my one at home, but you know, it's a different pressure cooker, and I'm not sure if we're high or low.
Right, so George's over the pressure cooker. Roast potatoes are actually looking all right. They've been in there 10 minutes. They'll probably need about 25, but we're going to start making the béarnaise when that stops.
And I've never made a béarnaise before, so you're going to teach me how to make a béarnaise.
Okay. Oh, timer. Right, what's happening, George?
So now we're going to just leave that. So I'm going to slide it off the heat.
Yeah.
And we wait until the pin drops, which means the pressure is equalised with outside, and then we can open it without it going paf.
We need to plug this in.
Bang.
So basically,
yeah,
this machine is full of recipes. Yeah, skip all the safety instructions. Skip. So what you do is you get your instructions like this, and it will just say start cooking. 50 grams of shallots halved, and what it's got built-in scales. Look,
it's going to tell us how much weight.
Yeah.
Should we guess?
So it says halved. Close your eyes. Just keep them closed. I reckon that is.
Can I guess before you tell me? Oh, it's 100 and something. 104.
Oh!
What was it?
I don't know. I can see. George Egg!
Lap of honour.
I'm just going to split this in half.
I'm quite a good guesser.
Well, very good.
I'll tell you what I'm very good at, guessing the time as
Okay,
well.
what is the time?
104. No, that's ridiculous.
Yeah, you're miles
guess
off.
104. 119, that's not too bad.
One sprig, leaves only, tarragon, and then it says turn the speed selector to 5, look.
Whoa, look at that.
And then look on here, it's telling us the instructions, scrape down sides with a spatula.
Okay.
Scrapey. And it says 50 grams of dry white wine. Oh look, tare. Is it tare? Tare? So 50 Gs. White wine.
How much
white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Right, turn speed selector to number 2. There you go.
Oh.
So now it's doing, look, 90 degrees.
Yeah.
It's going to mix for 5 minutes.
I'm going to take the lid off this now, and we're going to see what's happened.
Oh my gosh, so exciting.
The pin has dropped, so it should mean that we can lift that off. So what we'll do is we'll put that on here now. Where's our tongs?
Choose your hands.
Oh, okay. And we want to keep that warm, really. Okay, cool. And then this, I'm going to reduce.
Oh my God, these roast potatoes are potentially going to be the second best roasties I've ever done. Hang on. I'm a visual learner, George. Okay, so potato is like this. I'm going to do a small potato just for a laugh. When you boil them, all you want to happen is for this little outside edge to crumble. Okay, if you drew the same thickness of line.
Pointing stick.
Thank you. So this edge here is the bit that's going to crumble. So this internal part here is very solid / raw /
firm.
And then this is the small potato. This is your only point that is going to be hard. This bit will probably disintegrate and you'll lose a lot of potato. Yes, you'll get some crispy bits, but rubbish. By doing a bigger potato, you've got more space to kind of like crumble, and then you have more to roast. So the roasting process is going to cook into the middle. Instead of this one, it's just going to cook and then it's going to all fall apart. So you've got more chance of making a decent roasty with a big potato. So what I've done is 200 degrees, given it a nice crisp, and then we've just dropped the temperature down to like 190-ish degrees, And then we just continued cooking until they go nice and crispy. Look at that. 200 grams unsalted butter diced. Next, 4 egg yolks. In you go. We are recording. You're live on channel 4. Do not swah! 1 pinch of black pepper.
Pinchy?
Yeah. Turn speed to 4. It's going to do 70 degrees for 4 minutes. It's now emulsifying.
So it's... And then is that it?
That's it. Then we have a béarnaise. Okay, right, into this basket, I'm going to take the... Oh! Who's turned that one on? I'm going to take the trivet off and just go straight in. Bit of lube. I'm just going to go max crisp.
Max crisp!
Number 2, we're going to go on to bake. So we're going roast, 190. Right.
I've never seen this happen before.
It's like a peep show.
It smells good.
Look at it.
Can I taste it?
Absolutely, let's pour it out. If you're serving this in a restaurant, what you'd do is you make it for service, but then you put it in a thermos flask. So the thermos flask will keep it at the right temperature before it splits, which I'm looking for a Yeti cup. Hashtag not sponsored. Something like this, if you've got a thermos flask or a cup that will keep something warm, pop it in there, a couple of stickers, and it will keep it at the perfect temperature and it won't split.
That's a good tip.
A very good tip. So look at the spuds. The spuds are glorious. And then our beans are almost there. I reckon we can take the potatoes out. Spudalicious. That's good. Béarnaise is here, this is here. Beans, we can season in there. The beans, I'm just gonna go a little bit of salt. Oh!
That's the beef.
That's the beef.
So that means we can have a look now.
I'm so nervous.
Shall we have a look? I am nervous.
Bang, I'm not nervous because this was your idea.
Oh, I hope it's not over. I hope it's not under.
Okay, this is exciting.
Shall we see? You ready? Let's have a look. Let's bear in mind it's probably going to be over on the first stage. That's a little bit, isn't it?
A little bit over.
Let's
give it the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah, it's a little bit over. Oh, it is a bit over. Look, but we weren't really sure what we were doing with the.
That's incredible, though.
It's looking a bit better in the middle, isn't it? But I mean, yeah, considering that was 4 minutes. So I mean, basically, it's just a case of going. Okay, next time. So it's not too. Look, once we're.
That's lovely.
That's not too bad, is it? That's all right. Perfecto, perfect. It's pretty. That's pretty.
That's bad. Wow, 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 wow.
Yeah,
Hang on. George Egg.
Yes.
Genuinely quite blown away. There we go. Look at that.
Sure, I might just try it actually as well. I'm going to put a little bit of the smoky salt on. A little bit of that on there. Put it on there as well. I'm going to try it. Ready?
Go.
You got that.
Oh, George Egg.
You've got to try that as well. That looks. Go on, go for that.
That middle.
It's spot on, isn't it?
Unbelievable.
Look at that.
That's impressive.
It's fanging, isn't it? Yes. Yes. Oh my god.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Let's get a bit. Look at that, folks. I'm going to get a bit of that. I'm going to get a bit of that. I'll come to the potato in a minute because I want to go. That's just dippy. And a bit of that.
It's all right. You're right, George. I'm going straight up.
So nice.
I'm going straight up nazy. No.
This isn't that good.
But I tell you what, like thinking about, yes, expensive. Probably wouldn't need. I mean,
What about 90 quid?
yeah, 120. Pressure cooker was 50 quid. So it's like, what?
Pressure cooker is a tool that everyone has got to get back into.
But do you reckon pressure cooker is going to have a resurgence like the air fryer? But after this video gets seen by 100 people, I think the sales will spike.
It genuinely has changed my cooking life. It's just like, push everything down.
It is insane.
It's phenomenal.
Right.
I'm having some more.
Well, this was our first gadget meal.
I can't speak.
George is just eating.
I can't speak.
Well, I'm going to say
won't
the
speak.
things that we're meant to say. What we're meant to say? Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow for more
And follow
cooking in
me.
the kitchen.
Follow George
and
Egg.
follow George Egg. Yeah,
Follow
what's your handle?
Just look up George Egg or Snack Hacker.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
I won't speak. I can't speak.
I can't speak. Great.
That's really nice.